Trying to decide which theme park to visit this summer? Let me give you a few reasons on why you should choose Universal Orlando. Good morning from Universal Studios. We're here bright and early to have a fun morning. So we just parked. It's 8:26 in the morning. The Universal side of the park opens up at 9 a.m. Normally, whenever we come here in the morning, we like to start on the Islands of Adventure side. That side opens up at 8 a.m. But today I want to show you a couple of new things that Universal has, including the new DreamWorks Land. So I decided to just go there this morning, which gave me more time to sleep in and grab some coffee. There was a time not too long ago where you can come to Universal Studios on a Wednesday and not worry at all about crowds. Those days are no longer, which I think is a great thing. I'm so happy that Universal is thriving the way it is. It is my favorite park of any theme park in the world. And whenever there is a crowd, more things are open, more things are available to you. So sometimes you just have to be patient and just enjoy the company. It's 8:41 and it sounds like they're about to open up the park.
Good morning, my
So
name is Carlos, and I am
we're gonna step
St.
it up here a little bit.
Florida.
I was not expecting them to open up the gates this early in the morning. It's only 8:41, 8:42. But I am happy about it. We can just walk in and scan in now. So it's now 8:49 in the morning, and although they did scan us in, it looks like they're gonna hold up the crowd right here, right before Minion Land. There's a spot here and a spot over there going towards Hollywood. Our strategy this morning, just like anybody's strategy should be, is to head over to Diagon Alley to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and get on Escape from Gringotts. That is definitely the most popular ride here. Now, if you do have young kids that can't go on that ride, then you want to do Minions first. That's the other popular ride here at Universal Studios. If you want to do it first thing in the morning, then that's a great choice too. So at 8:50 in the morning is when they let the crowd through. That was pretty nice for them to pre-scan a bunch of people first. I like that. If you are headed to Diagon Alley first, you want to head towards New York. And as you see Jimmy Fallon, you either want to make a right after Transformers here, or right after Papa Nana, or you can keep going and make a right up ahead. The Mummy is closed for scheduled maintenance. Wonder how long that's gonna be. In case you've never been here before, as you approach this telephone booth, you are very close to Diagon Alley. It's a little bit hidden, but once you hit this brick wall to the left, that's where you want to enter. Welcome to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So it is 9:02 in the morning, and we just entered the queue for Escape from Gringotts. It is a posted wait time of 15 minutes. Let's see how long we actually have to wait. Escape from Gringotts is a pretty fun and exciting 3D ride that's located in Diagon Alley at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. This queue is another one of Universal's beautiful and immersive queues. Even if you're not riding this attraction, I recommend you go through the line anyway, so that you can admire all the beauty, details, and the thought that was put into creating this extraordinary attraction. Riders go on an adventure inside Gringotts Bank, joining Harry, Ron, and Hermione as they try to escape from the underground vaults. The ride features cool 3D effects, fast chases, and encounters with magical creatures. The story has you in the middle of a bank robbery planned by Bellatrix Lestrange and Voldemort, making it a thrilling experience for Harry Potter fans. We are all done with Escape from Gringotts. It was actually a 15-minute wait, so it wasn't too bad. So this morning, I wasn't expecting it to rain. We are in Florida, it could rain at any time. I was wanting to go to the DreamWorks Land right after here to go check that out and maybe ride the new Troll roller coaster. Most likely everything is gonna be shut down over there. So let's see what else we can do. So one thing you can do this early in the morning is enjoy an empty Diagon Alley. It'll get a lot busier later on in the day. Another indoor ride that won't be affected by this rain is Men in Black. So I think we're gonna go check that out next. So it's still 9:30 and it looks like Men in Black and E.T., Simpsons, and Fast and the Furious won't open till 10 a.m. We definitely have time to go ahead and get on Jimmy Fallon then. We'll have to head back over to New York to do that. As you can see, there's a pretty long line to get in, but we are in no rush since it's still raining outside. The rain is scheduled to stop in about another half an hour. Hopefully we can wait it out here. Race Through New York, starring Jimmy Fallon, is a fun, fast-paced 3D motion simulator ride that takes you on a wild adventure through New York City. The queue gives you an intimate look at what NBC Studios really looks like inside the iconic 30 Rockefeller Plaza in New York City. As you wait to get on the ride, there is plenty of entertainment, from video games, meet and greets with #ThePanda, and if you're lucky, you'll even get to enjoy a live performance from the barbershop quartet Ragtime Gals. Hosted by Jimmy Fallon, the ride features the comedian and his Tonight Show characters as they race through iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty and Times Square. With a mix of 3D visuals, special effects, and humor, this attraction offers a thrilling and entertaining experience for all ages. Just got off Race Through New York with Jimmy Fallon. That's one of our favorite rides here at Universal Studios. Next, we're gonna try to go and ride Tron.
You sure about that?
Tron? No. And ride Transformers. Let's see what the wait time is. According to the sign out front, it's a posted wait time of 25 minutes. It is now 10:27 in the morning. I seriously doubt it's going to be 25 minutes, but we'll see. Transformers is another one of Universal's fun 3D rides. Here, you'll join the battle between the Autobots and the Decepticons. You team up with Optimus Prime and Bumblebee to help protect the Allspark from the evil Megatron. The ride uses cool 3D effects, lifelike robots, and special effects that make you feel like you're actually in a Transformers movie. With lots of twists and turns and action, it's a thrilling adventure for everyone. This ride is family appropriate. It's a little bit loud. If you've ever ridden the Spider-Man ride at Islands of Adventure, it's essentially the same ride except themed to Transformers. Right, it's 9:47 and we're about to get on our vehicle. So we only waited 20 minutes for a posted 25-minute wait time. Not too bad. Just got out of Transformers and the sun is out. Still drizzling just a little bit. We're gonna walk by DreamWorks Land, see if anything's open yet. If not, we'll ride E.T. I broke my last poncho, so I'm in this one that apparently covers nothing. Hardly has any sleeves. So hopefully it doesn't rain that much. Bring a good raincoat or a poncho with you. As we approach DreamWorks Land, doesn't sound like the roller coaster is going. So I think we're gonna head on over to E.T., which is actually right next door. They just made this new big beautiful sign for E.T. Let's go see what the wait time is for that. E.T. is at a posted wait time of 25 minutes. It is now 11:06. Let's see how long it really takes. E.T. Adventure Ride is an original Universal Studios ride, as it opened up with the park back in 1990. This queue is dark, but it's also peaceful, serene, and has one of the most wonderful scents throughout. Not to mention, it gets you out of that hot Florida sun. The E.T. adventure ride at Universal Orlando takes you on a magical journey to help E.T. save his home planet. You start by getting on a flying bike just like in the movie. As you soar through the night sky, you'll see scenes from the movie and meet friendly aliens. With cool special effects and a heartwarming story, this ride is perfect for fans of all ages. Alright, it's about to be 12 o'clock. We're about to enter our ride here. It's been almost an hour. Just got off ET. We waited just about an hour for that ride, which is okay for today because we were waiting for the rain to pass. Hopefully that means that DreamWorks Land is up and going and we can ride the roller coaster. Let's see. So while we wait for the roller coaster to come up, we got ourselves a Shrek Soul and a pepperoni and mozzarella cheese waffle. This pretzel is very warm and soft right now. I'm excited. I love pretzels, but I hate theme park pretzels for the most part. I find like that unless you find like an Auntie Annie, you're not gonna get a good pretzel from a cart. But this feels like an Auntie Annie's pretzel. The Shrek Soul does come with this green cheese, and I love cheese with pretzels, but I'm gonna try it without first and give you a quick review. Then I'll try it with the cheese. Very soft and chewy, nice and salted. It's not overly salted. It's perfect. I love it. Not sure if I'd pay over $10 for a pretzel every time I come here, but I wanted you guys to check it out. I'm gonna dip the cheese, and I'm gonna have a bite of his ear. The cheese is perfect. It's not too strong. It tastes like regular nacho cheese. And it's not even spicy. So for those of you who don't like the spice, I recommend it. Next up is this waffle that's filled with mozzarella cheese and pepperoni. It doesn't feel too warm, but let's see how it tastes. I'm gonna open it up so you see. I have a feeling that this is gonna be like the stuffed pretzel over at Islands of Adventure, where I felt like it wasn't cheesy enough, but we'll see. It tastes really good. The waffle, the texture of the waffle is nice and soft. The flavor is delicious. However, there's no cheese pull. For me, there's not enough cheese. It does taste a little bit like a pizza dough. Let's try it with the marinara now. The marinara is nice and chunky. I like that. Really good. Marinara has a wonderful flavor. Not too strong, not overly spiced. Overall, the flavor of this waffle by itself or with the marinara is delicious. I would like it to have a little bit more cheese though. I am a cheese fan. I like cheese. I'm a cheesehead. I'm a cheeseaholic. What else could I say? I'm cheesy. What can I say? DreamWorks Land at Universal Orlando is a themed area dedicated to bringing the beloved characters and the worlds of DreamWorks animation to life. This vibrant and immersive section of the park offers a variety of attractions, entertainment, and dining experiences based on popular DreamWorks films. Visitors can expect to encounter characters and settings from hit movies such as Shrek, Kung Fu Panda, Madagascar, and How to Train Your Dragon. Not to mention, there is trolls everywhere. DreamWorks Land has now had pass holder previews, media days, and soft openings for the past few weeks, but it's only been officially open for less than a week. But let me tell you, my first impression of this land blew me away. Before they refurbished this section, our family used to just come to this part to ride the Woody Woodpecker roller coaster sometimes. But now that DreamWorks Land is open, I can see us coming here more often. There's so much more to do. Old Woody Woodpecker was rethemed to the Troll and is now called Trolls Troller Coaster. There's a live show featuring Po from Kung Fu Panda called Po Live. The Shrek meet and greet is back with Donkey, and it's better than ever, along with other fun character meet and greets. There's also a DreamWorks Imagination Celebration, which is a live show featuring singing, acting, dancing. There are several play areas for the kids, including a few splash zones. One that caught my eye especially was the Laundry of Ultimate Cleanliness area at Poe's Kung Fu Training Camp. Every few minutes there, you can get soaked by a big bucket of water that splashes down on top of everyone. I definitely will be visiting that part all summer long. An improvement Universal has done to this section of the park. I love DreamWorks Land, and it couldn't have come at a better time in the summer with all those water activities for the kids and for big kids like me. Universal knocked it out of the park with this one. As if you needed another reason to come to Universal this summer, DreamWorks Land. I recommend it for everybody. Here's one more reason for you. Every night this summer, Universal Orlando will sweep you away on a cinematic journey for your senses with stirring film scores and dancing fountains in Cinesational, a symphonic spectacular. I got the opportunity to see this show up close and personal, and I put together a few clips of my favorite parts for you to enjoy. Spectacular doesn't even begin to describe this show. It's a water show with projections, fireworks, and for the first time at Universal Orlando, drones. The Universal creative team has outdone themselves with this show. It is so much fun. The original score and the mixing of the classic movie soundtracks is so good. And then to choreograph that with so much lighting, fireworks, drones, water. I mean, my description of this show, my video could never do this justice. So go out there and see it for yourself. Cinesational is playing on select nights now through August 25th. I'm hoping that they plan to do something similar for Halloween Horror Nights this year. This summer, Universal Orlando is absolutely the place to be. For more theme park tips and tricks, click here. Until next time, keep maximizing your fun.